Hello guys, I am Isha Mahato and today I am here to give you 100 reasons to love Northeast. When we talk about Northeast, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? People say, is it in China? Where is this country? My dear people, it's not outside India, it's a family within India. Well, not everybody might not fully know about Northeast, but today I want to give you 100 reasons to love Northeast India. So here we go. Number 1. They are arguably one of the most kind-hearted people, just like any other Indian counterpart. Number 2. Northeast India and Indians are our beloved younger brothers for the rest of India. Number 3. Northeast Indians are the sports stars. Northeast India is well known for producing champion sports people like boxer Mary Kom from Manipur, Deepa Karmakar from Tripura, Anshu Jamsenpa, Hima Das, Jamuna Boro, the list goes on. Number 4. The national flag was first unfurled on Indian soil at Moirang in Manipur in April 1944 by the Indian National Army led by Subhash Chandra Bose. This is a moment of pride for all India. Number 5. Northeast isn't a single state. It consists of 8 states: Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Sikkim. Number 6. There is no dowry culture in the Northeast. Number 7. Sikkim is the first and only organic state. Number 8. Majuli is the world's largest river island in the world, which is located in the Jorhat district of Assam. It is located in the mighty Brahmaputra. Number 9. The world's smallest river island in the world, Umananda, is located in Assam, also known as the Peacock Island. Number 10. Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh is the largest monastery in India and the second largest in the world. Number 11. The Dhola Sadia Bridge in Assam is the longest bridge in India, measuring 9.15 km. Number 12. Loktak Lake, the only floating lake in the world and the largest freshwater lake in the Northeast India, is located near Moirang in Manipur. Number 13. Keibul Lamjau in Manipur is the only floating national park in the world. Number 14. Meghalaya is the only state in the world to have living root tree bridges. These are handmade from aerial roots of rubber trees by the Khasi people. Sticks, stones and other objects are used to stabilize the bridge. The lifespan of a living root bridge is uncertain, but under ideal conditions they last for many hundred of years. Number 15. Digboi, a town in the Tinsukia district of Assam, has the oldest working oil refinery in the world. The first oil well in Assam was drilled here and the refinery was started in 1901, hence it is known as the oil city of Assam. The state of Assam is home to one of the oldest still operational refineries in the world. Number 16. Assam is the only producer of Muga silk in the world. Number 17. Out of about 900 species of orchids in India, around 660 are found in the easternmost state of Arunachal Pradesh. Number 18. Northeast India has a subtropical climate that is influenced by its relief and influences from the southwest and northeast monsoons. The northeastern region have the most pleasant climate. Number 19. Arunachal Pradesh is known as the land of rising sun. The state witnesses the first ray of sun in India. Number 20. An unknown fact about Assam is that it is home to some of the biggest and smallest river islands. Number 21. Centuries-old barter system can still be seen in practice at Jonbil Mela, Assam. Held every year in the Morigao district of Assam, this Mela is unique as it exhibits the centuries-old barter system. Number 22. Swalkuchi is the world's largest weaving village, which is located in Assam. It is said that every household in the village is directly associated with weaving exotic silk fabrics. Number 23. Assam has provided safe haven to many endangered and exotic species of plants and animals in India. Kaziranga National Park is believed to have the largest one-horned rhino population in the world. Number 24. There is world's only Mother's Run market in Manipur, also known as Ima Keithal. The Mother's Market is one of its kind. Number 25. Mizoram's Puxing Cave is believed to be carved by a hairpin. Number 26. Almost 70% of Northeast India's terrains are covered by hills. The Himalayas cover a majority of the landscape in North Indian and Northeast Indian states. Number 27. Although the region of Northeast India comprises a major landmass of India, the states are scarcely populated. In fact, the literacy rate in Nagaland is improving more than other states of India. Number 28. Tripura is one of the most underrated tourist destinations in India. If you visit it, you will be greeted by numerous forts and places belonging to the royal family of the state. Number 29. At the Longwa village in Nagaland, one can be at two places at once. Longwa village in the Mon district of Nagaland is the spot where the border passes. Number 30. Nagaland has the last surviving headhunter tribe. While the Konyak tribe is known for their ruthless traditions, the tribe used to cut the head of their enemy tribes during battles and store them as trophies. Number 31. Nagaland holds the record of the world's largest electric guitar ensemble. On January 2013, Nagaland made its name into Guinness Book of World Records with 368 participants at the Agri Expo ground, strummed to the tunes of AC/DC's song Knocking on Heaven's Door. Number 32. After India gained independence, Sikkim enjoyed the status of a protectorate. However, it wasn't until 1975 that Sikkim joined the Republic of India. Number 33. In Nagaland alone, there are 15 tribes and 36 languages. Nagaland is also one of the few states in the world which has managed to preserve its original tribe culture and customs. Number 34. In Sikkim, a ghost of the soldier Harbhajan Singh guards the border. Interesting facts about Sikkim is that locals at Nathula made a shrine in his memory. Number 35. Each tribe in Northeast India makes some of the best liqueurs in the country. Northeast acquaints you to more than 220 tribes, and each of these tribes prepare their unique tribal liqueur. These are distinct in taste, and if you dream of tasting them, visiting the Northeast is the only way. Number 36. Northeast India is a heaven for music lovers. Many music festivals in Northeast India, like Zero Festival in Arunachal Pradesh, take place annually in this region. Number 37. Baichung Bhutia, Mary Kom and Deepa Karmakar. These three admirable icons are undoubtedly India's one of the most enduring contribution to sports. Number 38. Manipuri dance is one of the 8 major dance forms recognized by the Ministry of Culture of India and the Sangeet Natak Academy. Apart from this, Thangta is only recognized by Ministry of Culture, thereby making Manipur the only state to have 2 recognized dance forms. Number 39. Northeastern India area is not a jungle as rest of the world think. Number 40. Beggars are banned in Sikkim. Thereby when you visit it, you can see people even doing small jobs like opening Maggi stalls or tea stalls to earn their living. Number 41. The traditional attire worn by the women of Northeast India are vibrant and unique and have a charm of their own. The 8 states of the region have their own unique dresses that are a reflection of the tribal culture with exclusive patterns and vivacious colors. Number 42. Kangchenjunga is the 3rd highest mountain in the world and lies partly in Sikkim. The beautiful mountains and highlands in Northeast India are extension of the minor Himalayan ranges. Number 43. They are financially independent and take their own decisions. They work side by side with men ranging from street vendors, laborers to teachers and managers to engineers. Number 44. Northeast India is the only region which does not differentiate its people on the basis of caste, creed or religion. Number 45. Jewellery in the Northeast is quite different from rest of India. All the tribes have its own highly gorgeous jewelleries, generally made of beads and locally available materials. Number 46. Tribes in Northeast celebrate life to the fullest and they have festivals for almost every occasion. The biggest festivals are Bihu in Assam, Hornbill Festival in Nagaland, Chioroba Festival in Manipur, Chapchar Kut in Mizoram, Siang River Festival in Arunachal Pradesh, Sagadawa in Sikkim and Ashoka Ashtami Festival in Tripura. Number 47. Dance is integral part of the life of the tribals of Northeast India. Popular dance forms are Heghak in Tripura, Cherao in Mizoram, Bihu in Assam, Nongkrem dance in Meghalaya, Damphu dance in Sikkim, Jagao in Manipur, Bardo Cham in Arunachal Pradesh and Changai dance in Nagaland. Number 48. Northeast India is home to a large number of tribes and these tribes have a rich handicraft tradition of their own. Bamboo works especially are widespread in the region. Number 49. Hindus and Muslims aren't minorities in Northeast India. Hinduism is the most followed religion of the region. Only 3 states, namely Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram, have predominantly Christian populations. There is freedom of religion. Number 50. Northeast people aren't snacks or bats eaters. Northeasterns will never consume a bat, and no market or restaurant is selling snacks or bats alive or cooked. Number 51. Each state of Northeast exhibits several array of mouth-watering foods and dishes. Number 52. Sikkim is the richest state among all the 8 northeastern states in India. Number 53. We refer Northeast as one entity to make things easier. In reality, the region is widely diverse, home to hundreds of different tribes. Number 54. Despite being equally as diverse as the rest of the country, much of the Northeast couldn't be further from stereotypical India. Number 55. Northeast India can show what unspoiled Indian nature looks like. Number 56. Actor Ayushmann Khurrana, who is currently shooting for Anubhav Sinha's Anek in Assam, was overwhelmed with the love he has received in the Northeast. Nearly 40 to 50 people from neighboring villages flocked to the set to meet Ayushmann and wish him well for his film. Number 57. Apart from momo, chow mein, chinky, etc., another slang to make an official entry in this racist dictionary is corona. Northeastern people face evidence of racism from the people of other states. Northeastern are very tolerable at heart. Number 58. Northeastern women are enterprising and dominant in a majority of the families. They just don't sit at home, cook and wash clothes. They do so many other things like weaving baskets, raising a nursery, helping on farms. Women power in Nagaland is to be seen to be believed. Number 59. Northeastern people believe that being Indian is their nationality, but being an ethnic Northeastern is their bloodline, race, clan. That is also their identity. They are really proud to be from Northeast. Number 60. All the Northeastern girls are really beautiful. Number 61. Zufo Peak and Zuko Valley, one can treat their eyes with the beauty of the splendid peaks in Kohima. Number 62. Kohima War Cemetery, a memorial dedicated to the soldiers of the 2nd British Division of the Allied Forces who died in the Second World War at Kohima, the capital of Nagaland. Number 63. Shillong, the capital town of Meghalaya, is also known as the rock music capital of India. Number 64. Zero Festival of Music in Arunachal Pradesh is a highly sought after musical fixture in the country. Number 65. 70% of the pork meat in India are consumed by Northeast people. Number 66. The women are not easy. Northeastern people are nicknamed as Chinese or Chinkies, but no one called Chinkies exists in Northeast India because Northeastern are genuinely Indians. Number 67. Nagaland has a rich variety of flora and fauna, so much so that UNESCO had suggested it as the falcon capital of the world. Number 68. Meghalaya is famous for Roots Bridges of Cherrapunji. Number 69. The origin of European polo game lies in the local game of polo, played by the locals of Manipur by riding on mules. The British introduced it to the world as polo, riding on horses during colonial times. Number 70. They have always been complimented for carrying off funky fashion traits with such aplomb. Number 71. The hottest chili in the world, the Bhut Jolokia or Raja Mirchi, comes from the Northeast region. It's like the Chuck Norris of spicy food. Number 72. Rice forms the most important part of almost every meal eaten throughout the Northeast, along with meats like beef, pork, mutton, chicken and a wide variety of fish. Number 73. Sikkim is the most environmentally conscious state in India. Number 74. Northeast is blessed with rich and thriving biodiversity, which is high in endemism and holds a large number of rare species that are now under serious threat. It is a biodiversity hotspot and has multiple forms of biodiversity. Number 75. Music forms an integral part of the culture in Northeast India, with genres like rock, hip-hop, metal and pop being the most dominant forms of music. Number 76. Football is the sport which is most widely played and revered as a religion in the Northeast. Number 77. Did you know that you can legally gamble in Sikkim? Number 78. Mizoram has shops without shopkeepers. Mizoram's no shopkeeper policy. Along the highway of Siling in Mizoram, you will find unattended shops. These shops don't have any shopkeepers. It is called the shop without shopkeepers. You take what you want and keep the money in a deposit box. These shops work on the principle of trust. Number 79. Mizoram is one among the leading producers of bamboo. Number 80. The Northeast is India's cleanest region. Number 81. The Assam Rifles is India's largest and oldest paramilitary force, while the Indian Army's Assam Regiment recruits exclusively from the 7 northeastern states. Gorkha Regiment has many soldiers from Sikkim. Number 82. The Northeastern Council is the acting agency for the development of the 8 states. Number 83. Except Mani Ratnam's Dil Se, no Bollywood film has had Northeast as a major setting. Number 84. The Sangetsar Lake in Arunachal Pradesh, Tawang district, was unofficially renamed by tour guides as Madhuri Lake after Bollywood actress Madhuri Dixit. Number 85. Mawsynram in Meghalaya holds the Guinness World Record of being the wettest place on earth. Number 86. The Ahom dynasty of Northeast is the longest unbroken dynasty in India's entire history. The dynasty ruled much of Northeast for 600 years. Number 87. The Northeast is the only part of India which the Mughals could not occupy during their reign. Number 88. The only matrilineal society in India is practiced by Khasi tribes of Meghalaya. Number 89. The northeast part of the country is the biggest contributor to tea production in India. In fact, if you take away tea production from northeast, India will not remain the second largest tea producer of the world. Number 90. Mizoram and Tripura are among the states with the highest literacy rates in India. Number 91. 7 of India's major national parks are located in Northeast. Number 92. The language and culture of Northeast is a mix of Tibetan, Southeast Asian and East Indian culture. Number 93. The river Brahmaputra that crisscrosses the Northeast is the only Indian river that passes through 3 countries. Number 94. Almost 70% of the world's orchids are found in India's Northeast. Number 95. The Northeast India has been identified as one of the world's 7 richest biodiversity areas by Myers 2000. Number 96. Geographically, Northeast India is at a slight disadvantage as the connectivity is very limited. If you wish to explore Northeast India by roads, you would have to pass through the famous Siliguri corridor, also known as Chicken Snack. Number 97. Northeast Indians wow us with their skills of making us beautiful. The ubiquitous presence of Northeast Indians in many spas across the country are the evidences. Number 98. Molinong village in Shillong, Meghalaya can be the source of inspiration for the urban destinations in matters of cleanliness. Number 99. Northeast India holds up the best trekking routes in the country. For the adventurous soul, Northeast India presents some challenging trekking routes accompanied by spectacular views. Finally, number 100. One is sure to be mesmerized by the warmth and hospitality, irrespective of social standing in Northeast India. People of mainland India can always take lessons or the art of welcoming guests from Northeast. Northeast is such a welcoming place. That's all. This is Isha Mahato signing off until next time.